Hello friends, Mehjabin here. Today I am going to talk about the Ryotwari system of revenue collection that was introduced in India at the time of British colonialism. I have already spoken about the Ijardari system and the system of permanent settlement in Bengal in my previous videos uploaded here on my channel. The links will be in the description below. I reckon that you check them out so that your understanding of the British system of tax collection in India gets clearer. And now we move on to the Ryotwari system. The Ryotwari system was introduced by Sir Thomas Munro, a major general in the English East India Company, who later became a statesman and the governor of Madras Presidency. Munro introduced the Ryotwari system in the Madras Presidency of British India in 1820. Later, this system was extended to the Bombay Presidency and Assam and Coorg provinces. This system of revenue collection was very different from the system of permanent settlement or even the Ijardari system of tax collection. In this system, the peasants or cultivators were regarded as the owners of the land. In the Ryotwari system, the middlemen or the zamindars were not recognized. In fact, at that time, there were no traditional zamindars in the southern part of India. The English East India Company made direct settlements with the cultivators or ryots who had cultivated the land for generations. The company officials carefully surveyed the fields belonging to the cultivators before fixing the revenue that would be demanded by the company. The ryot or the cultivator usually paid the British government about half of the value of the crop. Their revenue amount was revised after 30 years depending on the fertility of the soil. The revenue from more fertile areas was revised more frequently. This system of revenue collection gave more security to the ryots in comparison to the other forms of collection. But because of the rigid nature of the tax collection system, the farmers had to borrow money from moneylenders during the years when the crops failed. Under this system, the peasant or ryot was recognized as the owner of the land as long as the revenue was paid on time. The peasants paid the revenue directly to the revenue collectors. There was no middleman like a zamindar between the peasant and the government. The land revenue was fixed for a period of 30 years at a time, after which it could be revised. The revenue was fixed at about half of the total produce. The revenue was collected in a strict manner. The East India Company gave no leniency or concession for the failure of crops. Now let us see why the Ryotwari system failed. Like some of the other revenue collection system initiated by the British, the Ryotwari system failed too. The reason was that under this system, it was not possible for the company to collect revenue in a systematic manner. The revenue officials working for the East India Company indulged in harsh measures for non-payment or delayed payment of revenue. Well, that's all for today. For those of you who are new here, be informed that in this channel, I upload educational content on history and English. Feel free to check out the playlist. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and give this video a like if you have found the content useful. Check out the description below for the links to my previous videos on permanent settlement and the Ijardari system. I'll meet you very soon with another video. Bye.